Just in terms of users' benefit, the ThaiChana application will receive notifications once people have visited the same location and in the same time of an infected person. While the MorChana application, in terms of users' benefit, would be to receive notification of at-risk locations and infected persons' travel route in detail to manage their own risks. And regarding benefit in terms of, regarding privacy and safety, the personal data in both applications are protected by law, by the Personal Data Protection Act, or PDPA, and information is used solely for the purpose of controlling and preventing COVID-19 spread and other communicable diseases. So the ThaiChana uses check-in and check-out locations QR code to obtain data, while the MorChana uses GPS and Bluetooth technology to track locations of users and show whether they have been visiting in risk areas or not. Every briefing I end with some good news. So in terms of rankings of Thailand on the world stage, lately there had been a number of rankings despite the challenges that we have to face. So the Foreign Ministry and the Public Health Ministry announced our ranking on the world stage in areas of public health. And I'll just recap some. There are many, but I'll just recap some for you. First, the Pemandu Associates, in cooperation with the Ministry of Science and Innovation of Malaysia, ranked Thailand first out of 184 countries for recovery and response to the outbreak, and the best score on the Global COVID Index, or GCI. Second, and this was announced earlier in the other briefings earlier, Australia's Lowy Institute ranked Thailand fourth out of 98 countries for management of the COVID situation in the country. Third, the Johns Hopkins Center for Health Security ranked us sixth in the world for health security. And lastly, fourth, the Nombeyo survey, which is the large database of users contributed data about cities and countries worldwide. They ranked Thailand eighth in the world as the country with one of the best health systems in the world in 2021.